Hey guys, my name is Andrew and I've been a photographer for over 10 years. Now if you've ever picked up a camera and wondered, why the heck does that not look like what I thought it was gonna look like? Well, you're in the right place. Today I'm gonna teach you 3 simple, fun, and easy tips on how to take your photography game to the next level, whether you're shooting with a professional camera or an iPhone. So stick around. My first tip for you guys is lighting. Lighting is everything when it comes to photography. If you ask any professional, they're gonna tell you the exact same thing. The most important thing is lighting. Quick things you can do with regards to lighting to make your shots look better. 1, if you're indoors, find natural lighting through windows. And what you wanna do is turn off all of the artificial lighting and get as close to a window as you possibly can. I'm shooting most of this shot with lighting from outside. I do have a ring light set up as well to help illuminate my face because there's a little bit of shadow coming from inside my apartment, and you can see it in the reflection, but this is one tip you can use that's gonna make skin tones look a lot truer to their actual color, and it's gonna improve the overall quality of the light on the subject that you're shooting. The second tip I'm gonna give you guys is around composition. It's called the rule of thirds. This is a tip that every single photographer learns and knows and uses in almost every shot. While it's not gonna solve all of your compositional problems, it is something that's gonna help you line up your shots a little bit better. And it's very easy to do, and you can even turn on a setting on your iPhone or camera called the grid view that's gonna add in a grid with 2 vertical and 2 horizontal lines evenly spaced out. And all you wanna do is line up your subject to be either on one of those lines or at the intersection of 2 points. Now this doesn't work in every single case, but it is something you can start to play around with to make your shots look more organic and give the composition a more professional and polished look. The third thing I want you guys to try out is with regards to the distance away from your subject. And what I mean by that is how far away you are from the person or the thing that you're taking a picture of. Again, not something you can use in every single situation, but say you're taking a picture of your friend and you're 50 feet back, you can see all the trees, you can see the houses in the background, whatever it is around that person is filling up the frame. Well, that's really gonna distract from the person that you're taking a picture of, and it's not gonna be a very great hinge picture for your friend. So my suggestion, get closer to that person and fill up the frame with what you wanna see the most of. So if it's the person you're taking a portrait, fill up the frame with that person. Don't get too close so you can see all the pores on their face, but just close enough so that you're focused on the person in the shot and not the things around them. Now go ahead and try these 3 things out and let me know what you think in the comments below. If you have any other questions or need help with any other aspects of photography, shoot me a note in the comments as well, and I'll take a look at those comments so I can make some future videos for you guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.